In this video, we are going to show you how to create a pop-up in Elfsight. When you log into your Elfsight account, you want to hover your mouse over widgets over here, like so. Here, you want to look at eCommerce, right, over here, and then go click on the pop-up option right here. There you go. You're going to be brought to this page, and you want to click on Create Widget for free, like so. Here, you can choose the template of the pop-up that you want to make. For example, we want to make this one, and then scroll down until you see at the bottom this button, green button that says continue with this template. Here you can now customize your pop-up the way you want to. You can edit the blocks, right? You can add elements. You can generate a pop-up by yourself using their AI pop-up generator. You can edit the layout, so the type of model, the width, the reopen button, and even the backdrop, right? After you're done, you can click add to website for free when you're satisfied. And that's how you create a pop-up using Elfsight. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.